First right-click your Steam shortcut. Select Open File Location. Right-click your Steam executable. Select Properties. Select the Compatibility tab. Select Run this program as administrator. Press Apply and then OK. Now open Steam. If that didn't work, first open Steam. Click on Steam. Click on Settings. Go to the Download section. Click on Steam Library Folders. Select your folder. Right-click it and select Repair Library Folder. Press Yes. Now wait for Steam to be repaired. If that didn't work, first open Start and type Control Panel. Open your Control Panel. Open Network and Internet. Open Network and Sharing Center. Open Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your network adapter and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol 4. Click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. In preferred DNS type, 1111. In alternate DNS type, 1001. Press OK. Close the window and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, first open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Network and Internet. Click on Network Reset. Press Reset now. Press Yes. Now restart. Press Yes. Now your problem should be fixed.